Hi guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to the vlog. We're going to the farmer's market right now, which I think we all know by this point. I love the farmer's market. And I'm just going. I just need a couple things. I want to get fresh flowers, strawberries, a restock of the almond butter I really like. But I mostly go to give Milo a little change of scenery, a different experience. It's good for him to see all the other dogs and everybody at the market, and it's good to socialize him like that because he's very timid. He's honestly pretty good if we go out in public like this. Like, he's fine, but if you come into my house, I think he would like rip your limbs off. He's scary. I saw a lot of people saying that they really wanted another kind of like wellness food workout type of video, so this is what that's going to be. Just kind of like how I cook, what I eat. I was traveling, and so when I do travel I eat kind of whatever I want, but because I'm trying to heal my gut, I'm like technically not really supposed to do that, so I have to get back on track. Just trying to make like a conscious effort of what I put in my body and all that jazz. Okay, I'll see you at the market. Come on. Good morning. I'll show you guys some stuff that I got. Sourdough. It's gluten-free and these are the ingredients. And then she was saying this buckwheat one has more fiber, and it's buckwheat flour, brown rice flour, banana flour, seeds, arugula, parsley, lemon, almonds, and almond butter. That's all. Oh, and of course, these gorgeous lilies that I'm gonna put in a vase right now. Okay, I'm cooking lunch. This is the easiest ground turkey recipe, and it's so delicious. All you need is garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of tamari. You just taste as you go. So I'm gonna cook this up. Here she is. It's just ground turkey, half an avocado, 2 eggs. The egg is cooked perfect. So good. just restock these. This is a smoothie I just got. It has strawberry, blueberry, raspberry, almond milk, protein, powder, and almond butter. I'm gonna show you what I got. I thought I got 1 ginger, not a pound of ginger. Okay, this is everything I got. And just do a little overview. We got turkey and chicken and steak, beef, this, ghee butter with Himalayan salt, sweet potato, onion, ginger. I did gluten-free panko. I like making little chicken tenders with that. And then I got some salad mix, spinach, celery, eggs, some vegetable broth and chicken broth, and then I got some Italian parsley. I think that's everything. Good morning. I don't know how I got this Billie Eilish merch. It came to my house, but I love it, so I was so excited because I don't know her. I love a big oversized t-shirt. You know what I actually did? I ordered a bunch of Mossimo vintage, like 90s big t-shirts off Depop. I also have these really cool like capris that my dad made in like the 90s. I'm using some cleanser from my facialist. I never do this, but I forgot to wash my face last night and I broke out. We all know I love my AG1. This is not a sponsored post. You look very suspicious today. Are you doing okay? Oh my god, you're so cute. I'm freaking out.
I actually think you're wrong.
Really? Part of me kind of just wants to do the treadmill again because I just kind of want to walk and like watch a video, so I might do that, but then it's boring for you guys. It's the same thing every day. test. Amazing. So snuggly. It genuinely blows my mind sometimes that I paid $0 for Milo. Like, you just came into my life for free. Good morning. This lip liner from L'Oreal, $7. I'll put a link to it. It's my favorite. I will film Aloe in the gym and all that stuff, which I feel like you really want to see anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna change. I'll show you what I wear. And then let's go make a coffee. Gonna feed this devil and let him out. Making this in a coffee. I bought this at the farmer's market a few days ago, as you saw. I'm gonna chop it up and put it in my freezer since I don't want it to go bad. It looks so creamy. This lighting is kind of cinematic. Okay, this is a little pre-workout breakfast. I'm a creature of habit. When I really like something, I'll eat it every day until I'm sick of it. I have teeth whitening in. But I'm on my way to the gym. I'm talking weird, so I should probably go, but that's my update. You're the star. Oh my god. What is that face?
Wow. She's like, I'm a what?
What is that face?